How to get Whatnot free credits and referral code. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a few ways to get referral codes or links on the Whatnot app. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser, and then from there you can just go ahead and search for Whatnot. Hit enter and click on the first link that you see, whatnot.com. So you have to know that you can use a referral link or code. So Whatnot offers a buyer referral program where new users can get a bonus credit that's usually from $10 up to all the way up to $200. And you can use those to sign up and refer a link to, or just enter a referral code and complete your phone number verification. So enter your username here, complete the phone number verification, and you'll earn a bonus, for example, $10 all the way up to $200 after the referred users complete their first purchase. Now, in order to claim the credit, you can download the Whatnot app or the website, and you can just go ahead and log into your account. Once you sign up through the referral link or enter the referral code in the promotion field, like you can get it on the live stream checkout or on the website checkout as well. You can verify your phone number and make your first purchase. And after the delivery of your product, your credit will automatically appear in your wallet during your checkout. That way, you can also save some money on your next purchase. So these are some of the ways that you can get Whatnot credits. You could also search for the credits here. So just search for Whatnot credits or coupons. Let me just fix the spelling. Hit enter and you can find different kind of reward clubs from Whatnot itself as well. And you can scroll through these to claim your coupons. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.